Welcome to World of Wilsons, and today we are going to bring these cast irons back to life again. Well, just a few of them at a time, actually. Remember in one of our other videos, we had purchased these 9 cast irons from a guy that my husband found on Facebook Marketplace. We paid $60 for them. My husband is going to get all that rust off and bring them to life again so we can either use them ourselves or sell them. We really need a house with a workshop when my husband does his little projects because, in the kitchen, come on. One day we're going to have a house where he can do all the projects that he loves to do working with his hands. So he is setting up this contraption to put in 2 pans at once, and he is going to get all of that gook off them using electricity.
I had to take the whole car battery, and because that's a smart charger, so it had to think it was connected to a car or a boat or something. So the only way I could make it work was to take this is our battery. Remember when the car died and I had to get a new battery? This is the battery for it. It's been sitting outside for a year. So I took the jumper cables from it. Now it thinks it's connected to a car at work.
You're getting my clean sink all dirty.